Hey guys, Rob again. This is one of those teal colored base coats. So this is not a clear coat. I'm going to use the Lube Cap Fix It on here, see what happens. So I'm simply going to put this on like this. Then I'm just going to go like that. So remember, when you use this product, don't use it like a wax. There's no wax in it. All you're going to do is clean. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Wow. Holy smokes. Now it's normal when you're working on a base coat. You'll see the color coming off. It's perfectly fine. Remember, you're restoring the paint by cleaning it. You're not masking it. You're not waxing it. You're cleaning. I'm going to go back and forth. No circles. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Wow. So now, this. Ta-da!